First off, we're gonna need some blowtorches. We can use those to open up the sewer doors and make our way to the bell tower. Then, we gotta get the doors open. We need to get some gears to get them moving again. After that, we'll still need to get to the top of the tower.
This could help, maybe. So first, we need the torch.
We need to get that blowtorch before we get killed again. I have a feeling these will soon come in handy. A few necessary components. Thank you, Universe, for this bounty. Perfect! Get ready to watch a genius at work. I'm running up!
Hell yeah! Look, I made a thing!
This is the work of a moment.
Gotta find the blowtorch. Kill this asshole!
I really owe you. You're a real friend.
Oh, free stuff! Get off! Get out! What?
Got you. I think I see a trap. I miss my bunny. Never know when it'll come in handy.
Man, I need some.
Don't be scared. I'm here.
I knew you wouldn't leave me behind.
Get out of here.
Ah, now this is exactly what I needed. Perfect! Get ready to watch a genius at work. Another trap spotted! I'll have you out in a jiffy.
Finally.
That's the blowtorch! Thank you, universe, for this bounty.
Yo, oh, shit!
Another trap for my mental map. Adam! There's the torch! Let's get it! Oh, here we go. I have the torch. Now we make our way to the door. This divides my inner pyromaniac and my inner welder. Let's get to the door. Oh, this is bad! I can take the torch, and now... Oh, no. Any chance we could make a deal? I'd appreciate some assistance very much! Now!
Gotcha. Get up.
That's smart. This delights my inner pyromaniac and my inner welder. Let's get to the door.
Let's go.
Glad to be up. Let's go. I'm not scared of you.
Seems like you need a friend right now.
Full warp on your ass.
Are you serious?
Here you go.
Okay.
A second trap? Oh, that clever bastard!
Walk. Let's go.
And...
I'm gonna turn this garbage into something. Holy shit, I'm a genius. Oh, free stuff.
Very... We should find the blowtorch. It's your friend Sam! I'll save you!
That was a decidedly miserable experience.
Come on out! It's still super scary out here. Eat it, you guys!
This is a joke! It's not funny!
I'm here. Oh, listen.
Up! We have to run! I have a feeling these will soon come in handy. I'll have this done in a moment. It's alive! Alive! I have the torch. Now we make our way to the door.
Locking the door.
Not a bad start. Rat has been spotted. There's another trap. Watch out, guys. He's here. Look upon my works, ye mighty, and despair. Another trap for my mental map. Just one moment, friend. I'll get the door.
It's just me. Hey, it happens to all of us. I'll fix you.
Trap. Thank goodness for my eagle eyes. Finding a gear shouldn't be too difficult. Not getting killed a dozen times might be.
Check it. It's the gear. Get it.
Surprising density. Let's get up the tower now.
I'll help you. Don't worry.
I'm gonna make something real good.
Not a bad start.
I see him! I see him!
Do this for me! Here. No, no, no!
We'll be out of here.
Appreciate it.
Let's get out of here. Is this gas? Am I bad? Seriously?
What did I
Here you go.
Thanks. Let's go find that guy.
Out the door. One, fast.
do? A daring escape? Out! You green sickness carrion!
Okay, we gotta find the disks so we can boot up the server. After that, we hack the computers. That should open the door to Bellman's secret library. Then, make our way across the library, and we're good.
Hi there, Rat. Wonder if you'll ever come in handy.
I see a trap. It's right there.
This plan was made from disks, computers, and not getting murdered.
Guess you could help. Maybe. We should find the discs.
Building a... Can't hide a trap from me.
I see a trap.
Disc! That's the disc! We need to bring the disc to the server.
Hey, Rab. You're pretty cute.
Come on, we need to get the server going. A few necessary components. I'll take these for later. Collecting these.
Wonder if I can make something.
That oak will never get through this. Voila! There's another trap! No! You stay away from me, or I'll be forced into action! That is no way to treat a person! A few necessary components.
Danger!
Brilliant! Now this is exactly what I needed. Oh, here we go. I spy with my little eye a disc. Thank you, universe, for this bounty. That's a trap! Secure the disc!
This might be...
I see. We need to bring the disc to the server. This might hold him back a bit. And you go in here, little disc. Help! Trap has been spotted. I will smite you!
I'm really ready for you! Really!
Burn it down! Goodbye, Corneas! Ah, now this is exactly what I needed.
I'm kind of crafty, actually, sometimes.
Somebody stop!
Hey, the disc is over there.
There's another trap! Watch out, guys!
Hey, we should take this to the server.
Can't hide a trap from me. Oh no, I think this might be infected.
I'll take this.
Never underestimate your opponents. Time to jingle! On guard! I shall vanquish you!
Oh no! That really looked painful! Okay, there's the computers, right? Like, we should hack them. I wonder if I can make something. I think I can hack this. I'm kind of good with that stuff.
Super Nick has arrived! Collecting these. Not a bad start. Oh, here we go. Brilliant. Another trap for my mental map. Perfect. Get ready to watch a genius at work. Look upon my works in the mighty despair. I have a feeling these will soon come in handy. Another trap? This isn't funny! You don't want to do this! You stay away from me, or I'll be forced into action! Not a bad start. I can open this. I've got +2 strength.
Appreciate it.
Welcome back. I can't breathe. A second. I can't move. Can someone get me up? Assistant.
It's your friend Sam. I'll save you.
Thank you. Perfect. Get ready to watch a genius at work. Oh! Outsmarted by a trap. Oh! Are you move, tough guy! Evil! Good. Sweet taste of triumph! Look upon my works, you mighty and despair. And for my next trick, it's alive! Alive!
Making something.
Look upon my works, ye mighty, and despair. Wall up. I have a feeling these will soon come in handy. Not a bad start. Chaotic evil, made lawful good. According to my calculations, you're an idiot. Watch out! I'm a math user. Trapped right there. Stay safe, friends. Bit of firepower. That's a trap. I think I can make something to help us. This is the work of a moment. Not even two brain cells thrust in. Alive! Alive! Don't trap has been spotted. Collecting these. I'll have this done in a moment. Somebody stop me! Wait!
Thanks for the help. You're a good friend.
Welcome back.
Exit stage left!
Let me lend a hand.
That's him!
Bit of firepower. I'm getting very tired of these traps! Any way you... Escape is imminent! This isn't how I hoped today would go. Oh no. Any chance we could make a deal?